guys, we're gonna play more Forsaken. Today we are done. Yeah, we're done. Done. Привет. Привет. We are Russian version. Because why not? I want to be Russian. Is he already here? Fine. No, 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 no. Ja, joh, dat kan ook. Ja, dat werkt. Doe. Dat zou kijken. Kom weer. I'll become an idiot. You know what I can actually do? I'm going to go over there. And then I'm going to this bit. And then I'm going to go all the way. All the way to the other side. I drink. Tell me what this goes already. Oh well. Ooh, shit. Nah, come on in. Should I please? I've been playing this forever. Just do it. For one game. One game. No, I want. Oh, he's dead. He's dying. Goodbye, my brother. Now we're done. I told you. I'm getting that. Oh. Oh. Oh, oh, that's bad. That's. No. Okay, who's next? Jason. Nah. This Jason. This Jason Cook. Jason Cook. Jason is Cook for real. Real quick, shoot me, please. Give him to me. Yes. Hello, Jason. Time to cook Jason up. I'm gonna cook him like a frying, like a French frying. And I see that idiot. Jason. Where are you? Bro, if I just hear Jason. Fun fact, I know the person who's playing Jason right now. Zooming as me and figured out how to use fucking gashing wounds. So oh well, let's wait for Jason to come to me and put it on the I think Jason is not left. There's no way we will get there. Not because Jason failed. Where's Jason? Jason! Jason over here. Jason? I need to find Jason. Oh, I was. Let's just try to find Jason. This generator. Jason wants to. Jason wants to start you. Okay, where the hell is Jason? Where the whip is Jason? Oh, there he is! Oh. Hi, Jason! Hello, Jason! Okay. Oh, thank you!
Let us tear you!
I agree with you. Yay! That was easy. Next. No, not that guy. I hate like I don't like him. So unless this dude is AFK, it's his turn. If he is AFK, it's my turn. He's not AFK, the dragon is AFK. Let's see. No, it's not. Oh, what the hell? Where'd that guy come from? I don't like him. That is my hatred. Literally. Let's go. So there's a lot more people. You see the other Shiletsky? I need to find that one when it's my turn. I need to find that Shiletsky. Generator will trade one extra killing everyone. Where is this dude anyway? The trade, where are you? I'm gonna play around as two-time later, just for fun. Either Nightshade or wait, Milestone 4 maybe. Maybe Milestone 4 does look pretty cool. There he is! Hi there, buddy! Okay. Bro, I will see you. Mass Effect, bro. You don't need to Mass Effect. Nah. I'm cooked. That was expected. I was expected to cook, but I am mafioso. Here we go, folks. Why not? So here we go. There's a seal right here. Oh my god. Somebody send that video. God. What's out here? Wanted General Life, John Doe. Reward your life spared. Damn. Buy our new pizza. No. I wanna. Forsaken, the final survivor. Oh, that would be a great title. Like, that would make a great title.
99%, there's only one left. How do you? You can see you next time.
There. We gotta go back inside. Hello. Alright.
You won't be getting away.
Alright. Here we go again. So we need to find two.
Where are
We need
they?
to find the ball 2 times.
Keep them busy for me.
Yeah, I'm busy with you guys. I'm on a hunt 2 times. Where is this idiot? 2 times. Where are you?
Steady pace. Stay still.
What did you? I need to find two time. Two time, where the hell are ya? Two time. You over here? No. I'm going to look for two time until I have found him.
I hear them. Be ready.
I hear, yeah. Gotcha.
You're mine. Get over here. Quit it. Don't move.
Oh, he moved. Oh, he
Get
moved.
it done, boys.
Yeah, get it done. Alright, now where the fuck is he gone? Where the fuck did you go? No, don't go over there.
Don't move.
Where are you?
This place is ridiculous.
How the fuck did you find get back around your head?
This place is ridiculous.
Well, I'm not gonna kill anyone anyway. So, let's go.
Don't move.
Stop it.
Don't move. I love wrecking up teeth. Remember the name. Here we go, folks. Right there. We'll find them. Looks like we're almost done here. Courtesy from our family. Ooh, now was that really necessary?
That wasn't facing going towards. I don't.
Where are they?
There you are.
Hold still! Ah, forget about it.
Get back here, boy.
Keep them busy for me. Right there. Get over here. Ashes to ashes.
Come on. 3 HP. Are you serious?
It's complimentary.
Come on.
Get over here. You irritate me.
Geometry. I don't like geometry. I'm gonna do. Should I? Yeah. I should. Like red. No, not red. The lyric is this. Alright, math. Math has indeed always been here. Oh, there he is. There we go. Dude, who does it? that one. Cool. This is good, man. Others. Where the f do I find him? Thunder. Oh, you just free winner. But what's he doing? Okay. Well, that was easy. What's next? That's only one. Alright, I'm just gonna go back. Yeah, now I'm gonna the ultimate. Yeah, I wanna be back. No, I don't know what night shift. Alright, time to do some interested work. Time to do some. Alright, I need to find the other two time actually. I don't need to do generators. We're not gonna do that anyway. Alright, where's the other two time? Other two time, where are you? Got over here. Hi. Oh! Hi! Nope, you missed, buddy. Damn it. I'm trying. Look at me in the back. Wait, okay, we are going back to I'm just gonna be tapped. Sure. Yeah. No, you are an idiot. Because I'm Taff. Not that bad. No, you're just... So, I'm Taff. If I stand here... and just... throw one in here... Find yourself. I'm gonna be rude though.